Let me show you how to change your Roblox avatar to Blocky. You can also choose to make specific parts of your avatar blocky. I'll show you how to do it. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or computer, and we need to get into managing your avatar. Usually defaults to clothing and various things that you can buy, but on here we want to customize the look and feel of your avatar to make it be blocky. Now within the head and body, we can first start off with the torso and make the torso blocky. You can see I can choose woman, man, torso, etc. But if I uncheck all of these options, it just defaults to blocky. Now I have to do this for all of the items. So left arm, I can uncheck this and it turns to blocky. Right arm, I can uncheck it so nothing is selected and it switches to blocky. And just keep going through this list, making sure everything, if it is checked, just uncheck it and it will switch to the blocky look.